We've come to eat and it's actually raining, but we're at the volcano, so there's the volcano. But it's raining and actually I'm cold, which is very strange. Rice paddy. So green. What do you think, Louise?
It's really pretty here.
It is. Not as pretty as you.
I know. Didn't have to be mentioned.
So nice. Hello, I have been asleep and suddenly we are somewhere. Where are we?
Pen-a-Lot.
Huh?
Pen-a-Lot.
Yeah. It's been a good sightseeing day so far, but I didn't really sleep very well because of my jet lag. So I was out of it in the car journey. But the driving is absolutely manic and it's kind of like try not to watch where you're going because you might die. And you don't want to get scared. Okay, here we go! I think we're here and it's right by the sea and it's about sunset time, so this is like perfect. Let's have a look. This is our driver man for the day. He's brilliant. He's taking us to the sunset.
I'm so scared at the front.
Oh my god, it's amazing. Oh, we follow his guidance everywhere. You take us somewhere, we follow. I know no better. And this is part of the view. And then there's just a casual massive snake here. As you do. Right, this is the view. Will it settle? The sunset, and oh my goodness, look at it. It is beautiful, Sylvia.
Me? Or the sunset?
You. Just walking along and casual bat. And these are the beings that eat the coffee. That's really cute. Sunset views.
Two?
Yay! You guys, have you had a good day?
Sweaty day.
A sweaty day. What's your favourite thing been?
Coffee plantation.
Yeah, the coffee.
Coffee.
And the sunset.
And the sunset. How can we forget? What a view. Perfect end to a busy day. Cheers! Yay! Such beauty, such splendid glamour. Is it like Insta-worthy? Guys, your photos are like
my camera.
It's so beautiful, but not as beautiful as you. Hi, Devon. It looks so pretty. It's magical. Stop videoing or taking photos. This is an addiction now. Not of myself, of the blooming thing. Sunset. It looks so great.